Hi guys, this is Sam from Android App Reviews. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to block unknown or hidden numbers from calling you. Now go ahead and tap on the phone app on the bottom left corner to open up the phone app, and go ahead and tap on the top right corner right here to open up the settings. Right on the top it says block numbers. Tap on that, and then right here you can go ahead and toggle it on or off, and it's basically don't allow calls from anyone with a private or unknown number. So you can just toggle it on or off right here, and what this will do is that if there's a block number, unknown or hidden number that's calling you, it will basically direct them to your voicemail, and the phone will not ring. All right, and that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Go ahead and please like, comment, and subscribe for more content to come in the future. I'm going to be covering basically all the most popular Android apps and how to use the Android system. Alright guys, take care and see you next time.